Hey guys, welcome to my channel Cubing Zone. My name is Harav and today I will do my first unboxing video on my channel. Today we have ordered YJ timer from Cube Lelo side. It's basically a cube timer. You will see it when I will open it. I will show you. I will tell you all about the price, how you can you order, and I will also give its review. So let's get started. Let's open this package. This took around 5 days to come, which is not as fast. I will not say this a fast delivery, but it's okay, as it has came from another state. Let's open this. I'm very excited for this to open. Yeah, so here's the timer. Let's keep this side for a while. These all. There's a coupon on this, you can check this out. And here's a timer. We have also gotten cube stand from this. I will show you how how the cube looks after keeping on this. Let's open this also. I'm very excited. No need to cut this. It's a box. You can pull this out. Yeah, here's our timer. Let's open this up. Let's open this. Let's open this up. It's stuck there. Let's try to pull this out. Here's a timer and nothing inside this box. There's a manual with it. Let's throw this. It's in Chinese. Let's open timer. This is the YJ timer from Cube Lelo. Yeah, this is black color and matte finish. It has a matte finish. And here are two holes from you can connect. You can attach it to your mat if you have. I do not have the mat for now, cube mat. Let's put our cells inside it. I'm very excited. Let's open this. Let's check out the cells from the package. First cell and second. Yeah. So let's put this inside it. And it has on a light blinked in it. Here's the power button. Here's the reset button from where you can reset the timer. Here's the save button, and here's the option button from which you can see your save time. So let's turn this on by clicking on this button up. Here, let's check this out. We put our hands on it. It starts. So yeah, let's reset it. but there's a problem that I cannot connect it to my CS timer in laptop or PC because this has a 2.5 cable, aux cable, but the normal cables available, easily available, are 3.5 so it cannot be inserted in it. And this is a minus point of this CS timer, that they have not given the cable with it to connect it to any of your device. So let's see this. Yeah, it works properly. Let's try to save this and check this out. I have saved the time, and now from options time, let's see if we start the timer. Nothing is happening. How does it even works? Let's check this. Reset. Now check the options button. No, it's not showing the save time. I don't know what is happening here. Let's try again. Save the time. Again I would try to turn this on. No. Reset. Options button. No, it's not showing the time. If you know, you can comment down how to save the time and see it. So yeah, it's the timer. And if you also want to order it, you can search www.cubelelo.com on any of your browser and order it from there. It's of 899 rupees, 900 rupees, including taxes. So it's good, and I like this timer. Still, I will also do some samples. So I will also upload some sample solves video of cube from this timer. So yeah, and here's also this cube stand. Let's check this out. So here's my cube. It's pretty nice. I think you can keep your cube here. It will stand. It's looking nice. Cute freebie. Happy cubing. Speedcuber, Cubelelo. They have branded themselves. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, and also push the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos. So thanks for watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading